Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. If you didn't know, my name is Brad. I'm super excited for today because today I'm finally going to be getting this EJ20 into my O2 WRX. Earlier this morning, I went ahead and got all the final touches done on the EJ20 to get it into the car. I went ahead and torqued down the intake manifold, the exhaust manifold, and the engine mounts. And then I went ahead and installed the flywheel, the pressure plate, and as well as the throwout bearing. So it's now 100% ready to go into the car. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll go ahead and give you a quick recap. Basically what I did is I refreshed the EJ20. It's always a good idea because you never know how long these engines have been sitting before you got them. So at the bare minimum, what you should do and what I did was replace the valve cover gaskets, the spark plugs, the rear main seal, as well as do a water pump and timing belt kit. And then if you plan on using the US ECU like I am, you have to switch over to the US sensors as well as the US intake. I went ahead and swapped my US TGV valves for the JDM TGV valves, so that way it gets rid of the flap and I should gain a little bit of free horsepower there. So basically the only thing JDM about this engine is going to be the block itself. The only other thing is going to be the turbo. I am going to be keeping the JDM turbo because it's the JDM version of the WRX turbo and it's in a lot nicer condition than the turbo that came with my car. As you can probably tell, it's a really rainy and gloomy day today. It's been raining for the past couple days, and this is the first day that it stopped raining. So I want to go ahead and try and get this engine in and mounted before it starts raining again. So let's get this thing started.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Well, we got rained out, guys. Luckily, we were able to get the engine in and mounted. All the bell housing bolts are in and torqued down. I was hoping to be able to beat the rain and get the whole thing done and get it running today, but that's not the case. All that's left is adding all the accessories. So the radiator, intercooler, power steering, all of that stuff, and then it'll be 100% ready to start it up. I've decided to go ahead and turn this into a two-part video. According to the weather, it's gonna be raining for the next 5 days straight. If I get a little bit of time in between, I'll go ahead and try and put some work in and try and get it done as soon as possible. But right now it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to get any work done on it until next week. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram if you're interested in following the build and seeing what happens with the WRX. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.